Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome. Welcome today on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, October the 12th, 2021. We have here one regular Sudoku and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, there's also an additional with 9 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. 5 of them, yeah. I will do 5 of them. But first, we will solve this medium Sudoku number 3523. 3523. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I have already counted 29. Yeah. Should be an easy one. Because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, in additional, the 1 star starts with 27, 2 stars, 26, 3 stars, 25, and 4 stars, 24. So it should be easier than a 1 star. So let me give this a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, let me give this 40 minutes then. 40 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. And then in this column, the first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here, could be there in the first column. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 1. Alright. 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 Then. How about the number. Let me see which number can I pick. Difficult choice. Again. 7, 6. Well, let me do the 3 in this row, a 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Alright. And I think I cannot continue with the 3. Yeah. Need to wait. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only place for the 4 should be there. Okay. Two numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in the third row. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about interesting. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Wait. 3 missing numbers in this column. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 7, 8. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. We see a 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, 9, no 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 numbers in the first column? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And we have a pair. 8 and a 3 in this row. 8 and a 3 in the row below. So on the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 and the 3 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 3, 8 and a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square. Here we have the 8 and the 3. The other pair should be 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. And we have here the 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So now in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 4. Okay. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Now we have a 3 there, so now this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. 1 box left in the last column. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. And the 5 is missing. Alright, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place for the 5. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So we have 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Alright. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 7, and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. Wait. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 7 and a 4. 7 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle columns, in the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. The 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. And I've told you so. Faster than 40 minutes. 29. Yes. So I'm pleased. I'm very, very pleased with the time. Very pleased. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 5 extra puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.